The portrait lens market has become increasingly competitive over the last few years, but there is one category that has remained surprisingly expensive. If you wanted a 135mm f/1.8 lens, you usually had to spend a significant amount of money. These lenses have traditionally been aimed at professionals and serious enthusiasts who demand the highest image quality possible. Because of that, many photographers simply admired them from a distance and settled for more affordable alternatives. That is why the launch of the 7Artisans 135mm f/1.8 AF is attracting so much attention. This is not just another budget lens entering the market. It is a lens that attempts to bring one of photography's most desirable focal lengths to a much wider audience. And if 7Artisans delivers on its promises, this could be one of the most disruptive portrait lens releases of the year. For many photographers, the 135mm focal length represents something special. It offers a look that is difficult to replicate with other lenses. Portraits taken at 135mm have a unique sense of depth and compression. Backgrounds appear closer to the subject, creating a rich and cinematic appearance. Facial features often look more flattering compared to wider focal lengths, and the separation between the subject and the background can be absolutely stunning. This is one of the reasons why so many professional portrait photographers love working with 135mm lenses. The images often have a premium look straight out of the camera. Even before editing begins, there is something about the perspective that immediately stands out. Subjects appear isolated from their surroundings in a way that feels natural and visually pleasing. The challenge has always been affordability. Premium 135mm lenses have rarely been inexpensive. For years, photographers who wanted this kind of optical performance had to make a major investment. As camera systems evolved and lens technology improved, prices continued to climb. For some photographers, owning a 135mm f/1.8 lens simply remained out of reach. That is where 7Artisans hopes to make a difference. The company has spent years building a reputation for affordable lenses. Most photographers know the brand for its manual focus options that offer excellent value for money. However, this new lens feels different. It signals a clear attempt to move into a more advanced segment of the market. Instead of simply competing on price, 7Artisans appears to be competing on features, performance, and overall user experience. The first specification that immediately grabs attention is the bright f/1.8 aperture. On a 135mm lens, an aperture this wide opens up a world of creative possibilities. It allows photographers to create images with extremely shallow depth of field. Subjects can stand out sharply while backgrounds dissolve into smooth, creamy blur. For portrait photographers, this effect is often highly desirable. It helps draw the viewer's attention directly to the person in the frame. Distractions disappear, and the image feels more professional. The result is a look that many photographers spend years trying to achieve. A wide aperture also provides benefits beyond aesthetics. It allows more light to reach the camera sensor. This can be especially useful during indoor sessions, evening portraits, or events where lighting conditions are less than ideal. Photographers can maintain faster shutter speeds and lower ISO settings, helping preserve image quality. Of course, a large aperture means very little if the lens cannot maintain sharpness. Fortunately, the specifications suggest that image quality was a major priority during development. The lens features a complex optical design that includes specialized glass elements intended to reduce common optical problems such as chromatic aberration and distortion. These optical elements play a crucial role in determining image quality. Without them, photographers might experience unwanted color fringing around high-contrast edges or a reduction in sharpness toward the edges of the frame. By incorporating advanced optical components, 7Artisans appears to be aiming for performance levels that exceed expectations for its price category. Another interesting claim is support for high-resolution camera sensors. Modern mirrorless cameras continue to push resolution higher and higher. Sensors with 45, 50, and even 60 megapixels are becoming increasingly common. Such cameras place enormous demands on lens performance. Any weakness in optical quality becomes immediately visible. By designing the lens with these cameras in mind, 7Artisans is signaling confidence in its product. The company clearly expects photographers to pair this lens with some of the most advanced cameras currently available. Beyond image quality, the feature set is surprisingly comprehensive. One of the biggest additions is autofocus. This might sound obvious, but autofocus performance is often one of the biggest challenges for third-party lens manufacturers. Modern photographers expect fast, accurate, and reliable focusing. Whether photographing portraits, weddings, events, or video content, autofocus can dramatically influence the overall shooting experience. According to the company, the lens uses a silent STM autofocus motor. Silent focusing is particularly important today because many photographers also create video content. Loud focusing motors can easily be picked up by onboard microphones, creating unwanted noise during recordings. A quieter system improves usability for hybrid creators who work with both stills and video. The lens also includes customizable buttons. This may seem like a small feature, but experienced photographers understand its value. Custom buttons allow quick access to frequently used settings and functions without taking your eye away from the viewfinder. These workflow improvements can make a noticeable difference during fast-paced sessions. An aperture ring is another welcome addition. Many photographers appreciate direct control over aperture settings, especially those who enjoy a more traditional shooting experience. For video creators, aperture rings can also provide smoother exposure adjustments during recording. The inclusion of a USB-C port for firmware updates is equally important. Modern camera systems evolve constantly. Firmware updates allow manufacturers to improve autofocus algorithms, enhance compatibility, and fix potential issues over time. Having a direct update option helps extend the lifespan of the lens and provides reassurance for long-term ownership. While the specifications are impressive, the real magic of this lens lies in the shooting experience it promises. Imagine photographing a subject in a busy city environment. With a 135mm focal length and an f1.8 aperture, the crowded background transforms into a beautiful wash of color and light. The viewer's attention goes directly to the subject. Every detail feels intentional. Now imagine using the same lens for outdoor portraits during golden hour. The compression effect makes the sun appear larger and closer in the background. Trees, buildings, and distant scenery blend into a soft, cinematic backdrop. The final image carries a level of depth and elegance that many photographers find addictive. This is the reason why 135mm lenses have developed such a loyal following over the years. Another area where this lens could shine is event photography. Weddings, engagements, and formal events often require photographers to capture emotional moments without standing directly beside their subjects. A 135mm lens allows photographers to work from a comfortable distance while still filling the frame with beautiful detail. The focal length also creates a more natural interaction between photographer and subject. People often feel less self-conscious when a camera is not positioned directly in front of them. This can lead to more genuine expressions and relaxed portraits. Of course, no lens is perfect. The biggest question surrounding the 7Artisans 135mm f1.8 AF is autofocus reliability. While the specifications look promising, real-world testing will ultimately determine its success. Portrait photographers may be forgiving if autofocus is slightly slower, but consistency is essential. Missing focus at f1.8 can be costly because depth of field is extremely shallow. Durability is another factor that remains unknown. Premium lenses are often expected to survive years of professional use. Weather resistance, build quality, and long-term reliability all contribute to overall value. Until photographers spend significant time with the lens, these aspects will remain difficult to judge. There is also the challenge of competition. The lens market today includes excellent offerings from both first-party and third-party manufacturers. Companies such as Sigma, Tamron, Viltrox, and major camera brands continue to release impressive products. To stand out, 7Artisans must deliver more than just an attractive price. However, that price may ultimately be one of the lens's strongest advantages. For many photographers, budget limitations influence every purchasing decision. Camera gear has become increasingly expensive, and not everyone can justify spending premium prices on a specialty portrait lens. By offering a more affordable alternative, 7Artisans opens the door for photographers who may have never considered owning a 135mm lens before. This accessibility could significantly expand the audience for this focal length. Photographers who previously relied on 85mm lenses may now explore the unique look of 135mm photography without making a massive financial commitment. And that is perhaps the most exciting aspect of this release. The 7Artisans 135mm f/1.8 AF is not simply another lens entering the market. It represents a shift in what photographers can expect from affordable equipment. Features that were once reserved for premium products are becoming increasingly accessible. High-quality optics, autofocus, customizable controls, and firmware support are no longer exclusive to top-tier lenses. If real-world performance matches the impressive specifications, this lens could become one of the standout photography products of 2026. It has the potential to attract portrait photographers, wedding professionals, content creators, and enthusiasts who want premium-looking results without paying premium prices. In a market filled with incremental upgrades and predictable releases, the 7Artisans 135mm f/1.8 AF feels genuinely interesting. It challenges expectations, expands accessibility, and brings one of photography's most beloved focal lengths within reach of a much larger audience. Whether it ultimately becomes a category leader will depend on image quality, autofocus performance, and long-term reliability. But one thing is already clear: this is a lens that photographers should pay close attention to. And if it delivers on its promises, it may end up being remembered as one of the smartest value-focused lens releases of the year.